so now you have this interface that you can see in front of you, that I have choose A4, and this is the blank white paper. Okay, so this is how you create new document with Photoshop. Okay, alright, so for now you can see that there are many tools here. Okay, I think I should make it, okay, I cannot make it bigger. Alright, so here, file, edit, image, layer, type, select Data 3D window, help is the menu bar here. Okay, and this is the document window. Alright, and all these are the tools, tool panel, and this is option panel. Okay, and this is the setting panel. Okay, and this is document window. So for example, if I wanna create something here, okay, as for example as rectangle tool or rounded rectangle tool, okay, I wanna click here, and you can see why this become an option tool, because you'll have many tools here, an option. So start from the if you want to add other tool here, and this is whether it's shape, path, or pixels, and what is the color that you want. For example, I want it to be blue. Okay, and how much is the stroke, for example. Okay, and even the width and height. Okay, so for now I wanna make something. Okay, you can see that the color of the stroke is this color, but the fill is this one. Okay, so yeah, here we go. We have this kind of pictures. Yeah, okay, so if you want to save it, we can just go with file and save or save as. So if it's save, we will save in, we can choose whether it's save to cloud, okay, or save on your computer. So let's just save on our computer. Okay, so let's see, it's gonna save in Photoshop PSD. Okay, so later you can choose whether you want to save in JPEG or GIF or PNG. Alright, so let's just save this, and voila. Okay, so now I'm gonna close my Photoshop. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Okay, it's file and close. And you want to close it, just file, close. Okay, so now I want to open this file back, so it's just open. Okay, so when you close an image, it will come back to the home menu, where you can see the previous images and this menu as well. So if you want to open it, just click open, and it will direct you to the previous folder. So let's just click the file that we saved just now. So voila, it's open already. Okay, so that's all for the introduction of Photoshop for opening and closing documents. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.